Sometime in the last week, a scam landed on a screen you were holding. A text about a package you don't remember ordering, an email from your bank about unusual activity, a little pop up screaming that your computer was infected, and you probably scrolled right past it, which is exactly the problem because the ones that actually work don't look like scams at all. They look like Tuesday. So here's every internet scam that's taking real money from real people right now, how each one works, and the exact detail that gives it away. Stick to the end because underneath all of them, there is a single trick. Dozens of scams, one lever. Learn to see that lever, and you don't have to memorize any of this. Like bang, you'll feel the scam before it finishes its sentence, but you can't see the string until you've watched the puppets move. So let's go through them from the clumsy ones you already ignore to the ones fooling smart, careful people every single day. Number one, the granddaddy of them all, phishing. An email that looks like it's from your bank, PayPal, Netflix. Your account is locked. Verify now. You click and you land on a login page that is a pixel perfect copy of the real thing. Same logo, same colors, same little font. You type your password to unlock your account and you just typed it straight into a stranger's inbox. The tell is always the link. The real Netflix will never send you to Netflix secure account verify.info. Hover over the link before you touch it. If the address looks like alphabet soup, close it. Number two is Phishing's little brother that lives in your text messages, Smishing. Your package couldn't be delivered, click to reschedule. You have an unpaid toll of $2. These exploded for one simple reason. Everyone, always, is waiting on a package from something. Same trick as phishing, but on a tiny screen where that fake link is even harder to read, and where you're distracted and half paying attention. The rule is simple. Real delivery companies and toll roads don't text you mystery links. Open the actual app, never the message. Number three, the fake tech support trap. Your screen suddenly freezes with a full page pop up, sirens, a scary warning, virus detected, do not restart, call Microsoft support now, and a phone number. You panic, you call, and a very friendly technician asks to remotely connect to your computer so they can remove the virus. The second you let them in, they're watching everything, including you logging into your bank. Here's the truth: Microsoft, Apple, Google, none of them will ever put a phone number on an error message, and nobody legitimate asks to remote into your machine out of nowhere. Number four is scary for a different reason. You don't have to click anything at all. It's the SIM swap. A scammer calls your phone carrier, pretends to be you, says, I got a new phone, move my number to this new SIM. If they get through, your number now rings on their device. And every security code, every reset your password text, every login approval now goes to them, not you. They can walk into your accounts through the front door. The defense costs one phone call. Set a separate PIN or passcode with your carrier so nobody can move your number without it. Number five is the new kid, and it's spreading fast. Quishing, QR code scams. A sticker slapped right over the real QR code on a parking meter. A fake code printed on a card left on a restaurant table. A flyer taped to a lamppost. You scan it, it opens a page that looks like a normal payment screen. You pay a total stranger, and your camera cannot tell a good code from a poisoned one. A QR is just a link wearing a costume. If scanning a code sends you somewhere asking for a payment or a login, stop and go the normal way. Number six, the store that doesn't exist. A slick ad slides across your feed. A gorgeous website. That exact jacket you've been eyeing, 80% off today only. You order, and either nothing ever arrives, or a sad $5 knockoff shows up weeks later. Except now, they've also got your card number for a rainy day. The pattern is always the same: an unreal deal from a brand that appeared out of nowhere last week, pushing you to buy before you can think. Now, here's where this turns, because everything I've shown you so far wanted one of two things: your password or your money directly. The most dangerous scams working today ask for neither. They're patient, they're personal, and they let you do the damage yourself. Number seven, pig butchering. It starts as a wrong number text or a warm, friendly message from someone new. And nothing happens for weeks. Real conversations, a genuine feeling friendship, maybe a romance. Then casually, they mention an investment app that's quietly making them rich. You try a little, you watch it grow on a beautiful dashboard. So you put in more and more, and the day you finally try to withdraw your winnings, the app is frozen, the account is gone, and the person you trusted has vanished into thin air. Nobody stole your password. You handed over the money with your own hands, smiling. That is the entire design. Number 8, the voice you'd know anywhere. Your phone rings. It's your kid, your mom, your boss. The voice is exactly right, and it's panicking. I'm in trouble. I need money right now. Please, and don't tell anyone. Except that voice is an AI clone, built from a few seconds of audio scraped off a social media video. The defense is beautiful because it's free. Hang up and call the real person back on their real number. A cloned voice can't answer a phone call that you start. Number 9, the sneakiest one on the internet this year, the fake human check. A page pops up and says, to continue, prove you're not a robot. Yeah, just press these 3 keys. It feels completely routine. First, you verify you're human 100 times a week, right? Except the keys it tells you to tap quietly, paste a hidden command to your own computer and run it. You didn't download anything. You didn't get hacked. You installed the malware yourself by following friendly instructions. Remember this: a real verification never asks you to open a box, press Windows R, or paste anything, ever. So, dozens of scams, and I promised you one string tying every last one of them together. Here it is. Every single scam on this list does the same 2 things. It manufactures urgency. Something is wrong right now, and you must act this second before you have time to think. And it hijacks trust, and it arrives to you wearing a face you already believe in. Your bank, your carrier, your child, a delivery driver, a new friend, a routine little checkbox. Urgency to switch off your thinking. A trusted mask to switch off your suspicion. That's the whole machine. That's every scam ever made and every scam they'll invent next year. And once you see it, the counter move is almost embarrassingly simple. Real institutions and real people do not collapse if you pause. Your bank can wait 10 minutes. Your kid can be called back. That checkbox can be closed. So the instant you feel that little spike of, I have to do this now, that spike is the scam. That's the tell. Stop and go check it yourself through the real app, the real number, the real website you typed in. Because the scam only works at speed. It needs you moving fast before the doubt catches up. So the answer every time for every one of these is the same single move: slow down. That's it. That's the whole trick.